One of my favorite parts of making budgets, globals. So much like fringes and some of the other features, Periscope has preloaded a certain amount of globals for you into the budget. Again, they're available in the library. A ton of these here. You don't have to use them. They're a personal thing. You have an intimate relationship with your globals. We're not trying to break you up from them. But just as a way of kind of understanding what they are and what they can do, this library of globals can really help. So what globals are a way to code in certain values that can be repeated across your budget. So for instance, one of the most common globals, shoot days. I've got it in here for 30 days. And so for every one of my crew members that's run of show, my first AD, my second AC, my sound mixer, my set costumer, all those people need to be on set for every shoot day, right? So instead of typing in 30 days in each of those lines, let's see here, we'll go to lighting and grip, my gaffer, right? I've got 22 days in here, right? Instead of typing 22 for every line of every crew member, I'm going to type in SD, which is my global for shoot days. Currently, it's 0, but I can go in here and I can edit it. So, oops. So, shoot days, 20 days. The code was already there, which is SD, a description, and then the calculation is the number that that code is going to represent, and the unit is days. So when I type in SD here, it automatically makes it 20 days. That means that for everyone who is globaled at SD, they're all at 20 days. And if I need to change that amount because we decided we don't have enough money to shoot for 20 days, it needs to change to 18 days, I just go in and I change the global once, and you see it's automatically 18 there, automatically 18 there. So when I click on the cell, it's going to say SD. But when I print it out and when I just look at it, it's going to give me the value that I put in for the global. Usually put this in for shoot weeks, shoot days, prep weeks, wrap weeks. There's a whole bunch of standard globals that people use. Again, here in the library, I'll show you that what we've uploaded so far, soft prep, hard prep, per diem, first class airfare. These are all things that I think are really valuable to use to make your speed of outputting changes in your budget lightning fast. Another element that is related to globals is just units. You don't have to go into the units platform here in order to create a new one. If I wanted to say, man days, that can be a unit. I can create it here, and then it will automatically populate if I just type in the first few letters. But I can also create one right in line just as I'm working. So I'm just going to make up something that says world. So now you'll see here I have the world unit is available.